What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Welcome to the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new shoe model that I want to introduce to individuals who have had a total knee replacement. Now, I'm the first one to say, shoes are right up there with politics and religion. It's probably one of those topics that I wouldn't normally talk about because people's beliefs are just so powerful around what shoes are supposed to be. But that being said, for those of you who want to hear the information, I've got to share it. This brand, Hey Dude, now I'm not endorsed. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased these out of my own bank account. But the reality is that most of my clients who have had a total knee replacement are looking for shoes that allow the foot to swell, allow the foot and ankle to move as naturally as possible. And I believe these shoes do that. So they remind me of the old Docksiders, if you remember those shoes with the leather and the leather laces, boat shoes. They look like boat shoes, but they're socially acceptable. It's kind of boat shoes with a modern twist. What I love about them is they're exceptionally light. They're under 6 ounces depending on the size. They're very flexible and compliant. They're as close to a house slipper as you can get, yet they're socially acceptable. So I'm a physical therapist. I'm working in the clinic today. I'm wearing these shoes because I think they look professionally acceptable within what I'm doing. They're easy to slip on and off. Certainly you can tighten the laces, and I'll do other videos on some of the nuances about how to fit the shoe properly. But I can tell you that I normally wear a size 9. I bought these, they fit ideal. There's just a little bit of space at the toe and the heel so that if my foot expands throughout the day, which most feet do, it can accommodate. I purchased some other shoes recently, did some reviews. The shoe was also a size 9, but it was just so tight and compressive. I really can't wear the shoe through a full 8 or a 10-hour day. They're canvas, they're breathable. Most of you are going to have feet that are sweating, perspiring. These things will not kind of get dank, right? If that's the word we want to use. So if you've had a knee replacement, if you're looking for shoes that are relatively easy to slip on and off, give you decent grip underneath, are lightweight, as close to barefoot as you can, but still give you some protection under the bottom of the foot, I would recommend you check this out. They're extremely affordable. I'm going to be doing another shoe review for a shoe brand that allows you to slip on the shoe without destroying the heel of the shoe. These are half the price. I think the quality from what I've seen is outstanding. And what I love most is the wide toe box. You know, I don't have an exceptionally wide foot, but I can tell you that many of the shoe brands that taper so much through the toe box compress and squeeze the toes, where a shoe brand like this allows for a wider base of support. One of the things that I always talk about with my clients is where the heel sits inside the shoe. If your shoe tapers in and down, it basically becomes like a rocker board. So we want a little bit of a wider base. Now, I used to be a therapist who made custom orthotics. I used to be a therapist who believed in maximum support, arch supports, all of that stuff. I've come 180. I've changed my views. I've looked at the research and determined for me, the foot should be treated more like a hand. I don't want to put a cast on my foot. I don't want to put a heavy brick on my foot. When I look at some of the other more supportive shoes, they're just so big and heavy. And it's like, well, yes, in theory, walking on a cloud seems like a great option. It is so unstable and so wobbly. So if you've had a brand new knee installed in your body, one of the things that we want to do is we want to regain the strength, the integrity, the mobility of the foot, the ankle, and the hip to support the new knee. And I think that a shoe like this absolutely does it. So if you guys have more questions, if you want more information, more videos, post in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking. But I'm going to tell you that I got these. They arrived in the mail yesterday. I've been wearing them all day yesterday, all day today. I'll do an update probably in about a month, let you know how these things break in. But literally from the moment they came out of the box, they felt like I had been wearing them for 3 years. They were just so comfortable. So guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.